Now they're going to have to modernize this company that you built, and they're going to have to use AI, but are they going to use somebody else's tools? And when the time comes for them to retire, for them to exit, what will they actually own? How much of their business are they renting through all these AI platforms, where they're building in someone else's sandbox? Where if you have your own sandbox and you own it, when you go to exit, you have something that, with us, we do a lifetime transferable license to the technology we use. So when you exit, you can transfer all of your tech with it, which dramatically increases the value of your company, because you're not just a plumber. Now you're a plumber who has this incredibly advanced system that organizes so many things for you and makes all of your people, especially in the admin side, 10 times more valuable. So that became our focus. We didn't mean to become an AI company. That wasn't our goal, but we've really honed in on like, okay, this is our thing. We know how to do this really well. Nobody else is talking about it, at least in the context of the things I mentioned. So how do we get this out there to more companies? And it's incredibly affordable compared to sending off all your stuff and paying for tokens and paying for API calls to everything else, especially as we look at, the open AIs of the world getting ready to go bankrupt, unless they can raise more money. They're going to have to raise rates. And so you need control over what tools you're using, because if you don't, you're beholden to the landlords of the AI world.
So is it largely for our listeners, is it largely like a question and answer platform, or is it a platform that is agentic? Talk to us a little bit about what it
Yeah.
actually does. If I get signed up with you, what kind of functionality do I expect to have?
So here's what it looks like. So if somebody works with us, we have clients in the medical space, the legal space, and the 3PL space. Those seem to be the three that we've really penetrated. And what we do is we build a system based on the company. So the first step is we're going to take a 360-degree view. Yeah, we're going to sit down with the founder. We're going to talk about why you're successful. What are the things that make your business unique? All the things that matter. And then we're going to talk to your team members who will be using the AI and understand what their day-to-day looks like. And also reassure them that just because your business is bringing on AI doesn't mean we're trying to replace you. In fact, we're trying to make you more valuable so that you're harder to replace. And, hopefully you get even more help, because, employees become so valuable. Why wouldn't you hire more?